My name is Martin Hogan. I am the trainer for Chevron training on GIS, GID and GIFF gas courses. In this segment we're going to test soundness testing on new pipework. For that we have to have the meter removed and the appliances off. First of all, we look at our gauge and we zero our gauge. So in other words, we have a bubble or meniscus and we will zero that at the bottom of the meniscus. Then we connect our hose, make a good tight fit, and make sure our hose isn't been bent over and our indicator is still at zero. Then with the aspirator we'll pump that up to 100 millibar, and if you overfill, just bring it down slightly, and there's 100 millibar. We turn off the cock on the aspirator so that we have no leakages. Since we're using air, has to stabilize. That means the temperature has to stabilize and we get no movement either up or down on the 100 millibar. At the end of stabilization we check our gauge, and in this case we have dropped off slightly, so we have to fill it back up. The test must be complete at 100 millibar as a minimum. Okay, so we bring it back up to 100 and we give it 5 minutes test time. At the end of the test time we must still be holding 100 millibar or we don't have a complete soundness test. That means, in other words, we have a leak. You cannot have a leak on any pipework, new or old. At the end of the 5 minutes our test is held. We now can certify that the soundness test is complete, and we fill out our paperwork on our documentation that we have tested for at 100 millibar, 5 minutes of stabilization, 5 minutes test time, and the test is complete. This is the most important part of all gasworks, that you're leaving a pipe that is going to be complete and is going to be sound. You cannot leave a gas leak.